Welcome back to the Car Blitz. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Nissan Armada, Nissan's full-size SUV that's made to do it all. Haul the family, tow the boat, and still look great pulling up to a nice dinner downtown. If you're in the market for a big SUV with serious muscle, a plush interior, and tech that's actually useful, stick around. The 2025 Armada might just surprise you. Let's start with what you see first. The exterior design. Nissan's gone bold with the 2025 Armada. The front end has been refreshed with a larger V-motion grille that's now more squared off and imposing. New LED headlights with a sleeker profile frame the front fascia, giving the Armada a sharper, more modern look. Step inside, and things get even better. The interior of the 2025 Armada is all about comfort and connectivity. First off, the layout feels spacious and airy, with soft-touch materials throughout and high-end finishes where it counts. The top trim Platinum version includes quilted leather seats, real wood accents, and ambient lighting. It honestly feels more like an Infiniti in here than a mainstream Nissan, and that's a good thing. One of the biggest updates is the massive new 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen that now comes standard. The screen is sharp, responsive, and finally brings the Armada's tech up to speed with competitors. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard, along with built-in navigation and voice command support. There's also a wireless charging pad, USB-C ports throughout, and up to 7 available power outlets, so the whole family stays connected on the road. Now let's talk performance, because that's where the Armada keeps its traditional edge. Powering this beast is a naturally aspirated 5.6-liter endurance V8 engine that now produces 415 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque, thanks to a few internal tweaks and a retuned exhaust system. That's paired to a newer 9-speed automatic transmission, replacing the old 7-speed, which improves both acceleration and fuel economy. No, it's not a hybrid, and no, Nissan didn't downsize to a turbo V6 like some competitors. And frankly, that's part of the Armada's appeal. It delivers old-school muscle with a smoother, more modern ride. It's quick off the line for something that weighs nearly 6,000 pounds, and it has enough grunt to tow up to 8,500 pounds, making it one of the most capable haulers in its class. So, who is this SUV really for? It's for families who need space and versatility. It's for adventurers who tow boats or campers on the weekends. It's for anyone who wants full-size SUV performance without jumping into the six-figure luxury bracket. It's traditional in all the right ways, and modern where it counts. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future reviews. Got questions about the Nissan? Drop them in the comments below. I'll be replying to as many as I can. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate.